Got the door on today. Looks alright. You can tell it kind of dips in right there, but not too bad. Paint matches up pretty good. Got that paint, that rocker all painted and try to feather it in a little bit. So you can tell there's two different shades. So that's what she's looking like. The door's a different color, you know. I'm gonna try to get this. I wet my glass in. Hopefully get my glass in. I'm gonna get everything on. I'm still waiting on these felts for up here. It's a local guy I'm gonna go to get them. I need the rubber for in here. I need to clean all that up too, but coming along a little bit. I like it. Sucks lining these hinges up. I don't know, it just wasn't very fun, but shuts alright. Still sitting up a little high right here, but I couldn't move those hinges. I primered this spot. I'm gonna try to paint that here in a minute. What do we got over here? Nope. Painted that rocker mainly so I can get this door hung today. I tried to feather it in back there a little. I wanted to leave that kind of stain from the gas. I tried to kind of feather it up here, but wait for that to dry. Work on that Bondo. Put some more Bondo up here maybe. I don't know. Did I do that side? Yeah, I did that side a little bit. So I'll put a little Bondo just to cover up those welds, clean up all that rust, and then spray some primer. Tape that off. Still need to weld those cap supports in. I'm going to do that today. But she's coming along. Happy. I'd like to get this gas tank in today too, but I need to clean it out. It has gas in it. I don't know how much. It feels like a gallon or so. But I'd like to get my doors on. It kind of rained on me today. I'm trying to keep everything dry. So that's where we're at. Real excited. I like seeing a little progress. I have a list. I'm trying to knock things off the list. I also got my carb rebuild kit in today from Cliff Ruggles. He made a Quadrajet book that was good. Read the whole thing. Got all excited. Went to order that and he said the 4Jet is a little different. Hopefully not much. I asked him if there's anything special I need to know. I mean, he had to get the kit different, so hopefully nothing too crazy. I'd like to start pulling that apart tonight or maybe tomorrow. I'll see how I feel. I need to go to the gym, so I don't want to work on this all night, but that's the 4Jet. I think it says 4Jet somewhere. Oh, 4Jet. So I'm gonna have to make sure and clean this table off, get everything real sterile and clean. I bought some of this Cam dip. I need to clean this garage a little bit. It's a little dirty, unorganized. But once the carb's done, I can get in there, put an alternator in. I want to get this thing running. Got this door back on today. Painted that. I also did the undercoat under here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's alright. Put the gas tank back in. I had to drain it out. I had to get the bolt out of here. On the back side, the bolt looks like this. A little shoulder bolt. There's usually a welded square nut on the back, but obviously I had to cut it out. It was stuck on there. So I'm about to go to Menards to try to get a bolt. But forgot to do Bondo up here, but it's not too bad. We'll see. If it bothers me, I'll Bondo that, smooth it back out, and repaint it. But it's coming together a little bit. That other door's all in. Got the door panel on. I think I'm going to try to pull this bolt off. I have 2 bolts. I want to run them on the outside so you can see them, and then run the ones you don't see as just regular hex head bolts. We'll see though. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that off or not. That's what I'm working on. The paint shows up a little bit just because this is faded and that's not, but not too bad. If you guys want to see, this is what the gas looks like. 33-year-old gas, bright red. It smells like straight up death. So I'm happy the glass is in. So, coming along. I love seeing a little progress, but I still can't put that glass in on the driver's side because my window regulator is broken. So, I'm gonna work on that. If you guys are wondering if this is rust, a little bit, but it's more just some surface rust with some dirt. I kind of scraped on it, but I didn't want to sand it all off or anything. It is what it is. I need to drill some holes back here for the jack. I don't have the jack, which I wish I did, but we'll see. Alright. We'll work on this pretty soon too, but getting happy, trying to get some of these bolts back in, trying to clean up. Happy, seeing some progress. I don't know what to say, but I don't think I filmed it all yesterday, but today's a new day. So, I got the booster. I went and got a master cylinder. I had the booster, but I was waiting on the master cylinder. So, if you've never done this before, I don't know how to film that, but if you've never done this before, there's a rod that comes out of this booster. You have to measure how far that rod comes up from the face. Sorry, filming sucks kind of. So you got to measure how far the rod extends out. That way you can decide how far it needs to be. There needs to be a little gap in between the piston and your master cylinder and the rod, because if it pushes too far, it will never seal back up whenever the piston in the master cylinder retracts, which is a big issue apparently with your brake lines releasing pressure on a hot day or when they're working hard. So we'll see. I'm really hoping this master cylinder works. It was actually full of a bunch of disgusting water, so we'll see. Cleaned it out. I measured that. I couldn't find an exact measurement. I saw a 16th and I saw an 8th, so I just split the difference. I think it's still a little closer to 16th, to tell you the truth. There's a little seal in there. Made sure the seal was good, and then tightened it all down. I'm gonna try to set this in there, get it positioned, and hang that without my dad. So we'll see if I'm strong enough. I need to find some nuts for that, but I don't know what else I found. I got the transmission filter. They're a little different on these, on the early Turbo 400s, so I had to go pick that up. I got a belt. I got this belt for the alternator, but I had to go pick up this filter today. Basically, I pulled the pan off last night and I didn't have the filter, so I had to go get this filter. It's a little different than any other tranny I've ever worked on, but whatever. There's my spark plug wires. There's just some more of my parts. I also had to go to the store because I freaking didn't have, my batteries were dying. I don't know if everyone's like this, but I'd recommend taking your batteries out every time in between, because it seems like this little foam case turns it on whenever I'm not using it. So that's my calipers. So once I get this in, I'm gonna wait to run my brake lines, but I think I'm gonna start pulling apart my carburetor. That way I can soak pieces. But I'm trying to clean off this table. I want everything nice and sterile. So that's where I'm at. Yeah, I don't know what I showed yesterday. I got all the rest of this put back in. I had to drill some holes in here for your little carpet hold downs screws. So everything else is loosely in there. I need to go get some parts. I also grinded all this down. Basically, there's some dings up here. I don't know if you can see that, but they had Bondo running all the way up. So I know I've been debating on what I was going to do with that, but obviously I chose to grind it all off. I'm going to try to paint it, make it match, and make it look not ridiculous. I'm waiting on this gasket. That's why I didn't tighten up the gas tank and everything yet. But that's what I'm looking like. I want to throw that radio in the next couple days, probably. I gotta make sure the wiring. I really hope that speaker works. I really doubt it. It's probably rock hard, not working, but so that's what I'm doing. That's the gas that came out of there. Trying to let that air out, go away. So we'll see. I like to get these brakes in, that way I can run some new brake lines. I'm gonna pull these tranny lines off, but I think I'm gonna try to, since they actually sit right in here on your radiator, I might be able to save these old lines and just bend them to it and then reflare these ends. Still need to go get the alternator and then all my hoses, but it's coming along. I'm hoping get the engine turned over in the next week or so. We'll see. Party.